Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for 23 April. And yeah, so here we are with the SLP on the weekly time frame. I'm just looking at how the market is actually looking like. So on the weekly, I do notice that we potentially could be making some falling wedge right over here. So sorry, this is the daily. So if I actually dive into the 4-hour time frame, maybe there could be a falling wedge that is playing trying to form up here for SLP. So can it actually go and respect this falling wedge? Who knows, you can actually do that. Or maybe it could be way more visible on the 1-hour time frame. So let's look at it this way. And yeah, right now it does seem like a falling wedge, guys. Really, it is a falling wedge. So here we are, and this is actually bullish pattern. So if I take this top to the bottom right over here, and the apex is actually coming by very soon, so we do have a very mini falling wedge right over there. And you know, breaking out of this falling wedge to the upside can actually force you to go back to 178. So if you start to break out of this falling wedge anytime a bit near here, you're going to see a nice 11%, 12% rise to the upside potentially. So this is something that I'm looking for. Maybe that could just be speaking a double bottom on the 1-hour time frame if you look at it that way. So the apex is approaching. Maybe by tomorrow there's going to be either explosion to the upside, or you might even break to the downside. It's not a confirm. The only thing you want to trade is when you actually break out of it, back test it, and then you take an entry, you ride it to the upside. That's how you trade falling wedges. You don't just look at a falling wedge and then you start to buy, because by the look of things, Bitcoin hasn't met its technical target just yet. And as long as Bitcoin hasn't met the technical target, it's hard for you to actually trade the coin itself. Let Bitcoin settle, in my opinion. I'm going to look until Monday or Tuesday at what happens to all the coins in general. So that's it for today's update. If you want to learn more about trading, do check out my 18 hours of content of trading. The link is in the description in the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.